Wait until you see what this tiny cleft palate puppy does when someone touches his ball. We thought today was just playtime, until a backyard toy war, dramatic complaints, and one hilarious ankle bite completely stole the show. Trust us, you need to see how this ends. Before we jump into part 3, here is a quick introduction to the tiny fighter who stole so many hearts. Meet Washington, a little puppy born with a cleft palate who faced a difficult start from day one. At only 2 days old, he was placed in a small box and driven for hours just for a chance to survive. Tiny, fragile, and needing constant care, Washington quickly proved he was stronger than anyone expected. And now, just when we thought we had seen his sweetest moments, part 3 is about to show us a whole new side of this little boy. And part 3 starts with pure chaos. Washington's tiny stunned face says at all the moment, Lily suddenly jumps on him. The look of confusion, the tiny pause like he is questioning every life decision. Safe to say, this little guy was absolutely not prepared for Lily's energy.
Washington has stolen Lily's pillow. She's trying to root him out. She wants it back. But he's too comfortable. He's not willing to move. Sorry, Lil. What are you doing, Gary? You're being crazy.
Mom, Gary stole my ball again. Washington is clearly filing an official complaint here. That dramatic little face says this is not the first offense. And honestly, someone might need to investigate Gary immediately. Okay, serious question. Who could possibly resist this face? Washington is officially collecting forehead kisses today. And honestly, that tiny little face is making it impossible not to lean in for one. Just look at him. I think the official term here is definitely love bites. Gary and Washington clearly have their own way of showing affection. Tiny nibbles, endless patience, and a friendship that somehow looks both chaotic and ridiculously sweet at the same time. Tiny paws, big hearts. Washington and Gary are sending lots of love this Memorial Day. While these little boys may not fully understand the meaning of today, they are spending it the best way they know how. Together, safe, loved, and making everyone smile. And just when we thought the drama was over, today's outdoor chaos had one final surprise. Right in the middle of their backyard battle, Gary had to deliver one last ankle bite for good measure. Translation: stay away from my ball, Washington. Sincerely, Gary. Safe to say, the friendship is strong, but today's outdoor toy war was even stronger. After all of today's outdoor chaos, stolen balls, and tiny love bites, even the busiest little boys need a recharge. Nap time for Washington and Gary. Just a quick little rest before the next round of mischief begins. Oh, hello there, Washington. Those tiny little hiccups came out of nowhere. The confused face, the tiny pauses like he is personally offended by his own body right now. Someone please explain to this little guy what hiccups are.
What do you have? What are you doing? Hi, Carrie. Hi, Carrie. You playing with toys? Yeah? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And now for the moment everyone has been waiting for. Washington is officially ready to find his forever family. But fair warning, if you are looking for an independent puppy who quietly entertains himself while you cook dinner or do chores, this is absolutely not your guy. Washington believes personal space is optional and being right next to you at all times is mandatory.
What are you doing, guys?
Safe to say Washington is absolutely loving the chin scratches right now. That tiny face, the little happy look, like he has officially decided this might be the best thing that has ever happened to him. Honestly, we could watch this all day.
Look at that belly.
Washington. Washington.
It's officially Tiny Temper Tantrum Friday, and according to Washington, this very dramatic situation is extremely serious. Except we are pretty sure he completely made it up. The tiny complaints, the dramatic little sounds, the full performance, someone clearly deserves an Oscar. Now we need to know, does your pup throw dramatic little fits too?
What? You want to come out? You come get your toys? Gary, you want to come out? What?
You know it is serious when one tiny yawn completely takes you out. Washington gave it everything he had, and now it looks like this little guy has officially run out of energy. Safe to say someone is way past bedtime and desperately fighting the sleep battle. Meets the tiny ruler of taking it easy. Washington somehow turns doing absolutely nothing into a full-time talent. Whether he is stretched out, soaking up the cuddles, or simply watching the world go by, this little guy knows exactly how to enjoy the moment. Thank you for spending another beautiful day with sweet little Washington. From tiny tantrums and stolen toys to cuddles and sleepy moments, this little cleft palate fighter keeps reminding us that joy can come in the tiniest packages. If Washington's journey made you smile, please consider supporting babies like him by tapping the thanks button, subscribing to the channel, and joining our membership family. Every bit of support helps us continue rescuing, caring for, and sharing the stories of special pups like Washington.